To get the most out of Awardwallet, it is crucial to understand how to effectively manage and sync your accounts. Awardwallet is a tool designed to help you track your loyalty programs, including frequent flyer miles, hotel points, and credit card rewards, all in one place. First, you need to add your loyalty accounts to Awardwallet. This involves going to the Add Account page and selecting the type of account you want to add, such as an airline or hotel loyalty program. You will then be prompted to enter your account credentials, including your username and password. Once your accounts are added, Awardwallet will begin to sync them, allowing you to view your balances and expiration dates in one convenient location. It is essential to regularly sync your accounts to ensure that your information is up to date. One key concept to understand is the difference between automatic and manual syncing. Automatic syncing occurs at regular intervals, typically daily, and updates your account balances without any action required from you. Manual syncing, on the other hand, requires you to initiate the sync process yourself, which can be useful if you need to update your information immediately. To get the best results from Awardwallet, there are several best practices to follow. Firstly, ensure that you are using the correct login credentials for each of your accounts. Incorrect credentials can prevent Awardwallet from syncing your accounts correctly, resulting in outdated information. Secondly, regularly review your account settings to ensure that everything is configured correctly. This includes checking that the correct account type has been selected and that any additional required information, such as your account number, has been entered. Finally, take advantage of Awardwallet's alert system, which can notify you when your points or miles are about to expire, or when there are changes to your account balances. This can help you make the most of your loyalty programs and prevent you from losing valuable rewards. By following these best practices and understanding how to effectively sync your accounts, you can maximize the benefits of using Awardwallet and make the most of your loyalty programs.